we are going to take some cherry tomatoes and bonza chickpea. This is rotini made out of chickpeas. We're going to take that with some olive oil, salt and pepper, some basil leaves, and we are going to take some feta cheese. Feta, how do you ever want to say that?
Feta.
We're going to make a delicious pasta dish. Check it out. So what we want to first do is we want to wash these tomatoes. Now we're going to drizzle some olive oil all over these tomatoes, as well as salt and pepper them. Now if you had a block of the cheese, you could put it right here in the middle, but if you have some of this, it's already pre-crumbled, that is fine as well. We just want to pour some of this in the middle here, and that is good there. Now we're going to put this in the oven, 400 degrees for 30 minutes to make all of them tomatoes pop open, burst open, and melt that cheese. So we got the fire going on this pot of water. We're fixing to put some of this bonza chickpea pasta in it. It is 8 grams, 20 grams of protein, because we don't have any other meat or any other kind of protein in this dish. And that, my friend, is, well, you put a spoon on there to keep it from boiling over. Now, I'm going to also multitask by making some cookies. Healthy cookies. We're going to mash up 2 bananas. One of these guys was frozen ahead of time. I thawed it out just for this recipe. 1 cup of oats. Half a cup of chocolate chips. And in this case, we're using sugar-free. Tablespoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of vanilla. And then mix that up. Then you want to spoon out some of this mixture on a baking sheet with parchment paper and cook it for 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Now I can't put it in just yet. I've just got it prepped because right now I'm still cooking this tomatoes and cheese. Let's look at it and see what, ooh, it is sizzling in there. It looks good. We've got 5 minutes on that, and as soon as that's done, we're going to get to the next part of the process. Now it's time to drain this pasta. Look at that, guys. If you could only smell what I'm smelling. Everything looks great. Now let's start stirring this. Now let's add the pasta. The only thing left is to stir in some basil. And it tastes good too. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, God bless.